Okay, Johnson Cleaning Service again. We're about to do this yard space right now, a big yard space. So we're setting up right now. Look at this huge driveway. We're gonna power wash that. So look at the look right now. And this is the front of the house. Big front yard space. Okay, that's big yard space. It's about to go down right now. This is the before. You remember what it looks like now. This is one side. This is the other side. We're going to the back of the yard right now. See how terrible the allergy and all that on the floor, the side of the house. We're going to take care of all of that. Right around here to the back. Here we go. All that we're going to take care of right now. It's maybe about 2 to 3 hours. All that. Come back on the other side. Right around. All that we're going to take care of right now. So catch you on the rebound. Okay, so I pour down the chemical in here. So I'm ready to power wash. I'm by myself. I can't show you when I'm power washing, but just look at it. When it's finished, I come with the finishing touch. That's the chemical on the floor right now. All right, okay. So now we finished the job. It's the front. If you remember what it's looked like. Yeah, this is the finishing touch. The front of the house. All right. So this the driveway all the way going to the back. Yeah, all the way to the back. Here we go. All right, see the back. Then we're going on the other side. There we go. Mission accomplished. Clean and nice. All right. Catch you on the next job.